This is the X9 Pro robot vacuum sent to us and sponsored by Eufy, and it's part of a major RoboVac revolution going on right now that you're probably not paying attention to, and that revolution is happening in 3 parts: technology, functionality, and convenience. The X9 Pro excels at all 3 of these because it's jam-packed with sophisticated sensors to create a smart AI system, which I'll explain in this video, and it comes with convenient and clever functionality that is a must-have for robot vacuums. And it's packed with software and features that make it incredibly convenient, which is the main reason anyone buys these things anyway. Now, when I was younger, my mom always told me that the only way to do a good job mopping the floors was scrubbing them on your hands and knees, but the X9 Pro is actually able to mimic this with its unique mopping system that comes with dual pentagonally shaped mop pads that are able to cover more ground and overlap as they spin at 180 RPMs, which is about 3 times every second. But the biggest reason it does so well is because the mop pads are actually motorized, so they push down on the floor with up to 2.2 pounds of force while mopping, which means it actually scrubs the floors well instead of just wiping them. Not only that, but the X9 Pro does what humans do when they mop. It goes back to the base station every few minutes to literally wash and scrub the mop pads against friction pads on the inside of the base station to remove dirt, cleaning and saturating the pads again so they're actually cleaning your floors and not spreading dirt everywhere. It even lifts up the pads when it heads back to the station to avoid secondary pollution, finding the shortest path to save time. And unlike other robot vacuums, you can choose how often it cleans the pads within the app, as well as how wet you want them to be, and the suction strength as well, up to a powerful 5,500 PAs. But here is the best part of all. It doesn't just mop, it actually vacuums the floors and mops at the same time. As it moves around, the spinning brush in the front collects debris on the floor and pushes it towards the floating, tangle-free brush roll to vacuum it up. And at the same time, the mops in the back are mopping, so everything gets done in one swoop, cleaning your whole floor in half the time. It'll even vacuum your carpets without getting them wet by raising the mop pads as high as an industry-leading 12 millimeters as soon as it detects carpets using its AI sensors, and then instantly drops the pads back down to the floor when it goes back on hard floors. So the X9 Pro truly does clean your whole floor with whatever flooring types you have due to all of the functionality it packs into it, and it does it all without any user intervention, which makes it super convenient. And speaking of convenience, the base station has 2 large 4.1 liter tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty, so you can have it clean your floors multiple times without having to fill up or empty them. On top of that, the Eufy Clean app works very well, showing you real-time info about the X9 Pro, like the battery life, the map of your house, and what it's currently doing, allowing you to pause or start cleaning and customize a bunch of different settings like suction power, mop washing frequency, and auto drying duration. Yes, it uses 104-degree Fahrenheit hot air to dry the pads every time after it's done mopping, which ensures that mildew and bacteria won't grow on the wet pads so they won't smell. It also comes with a manual control feature, so instead of having to pick it up and take it to an area that you want spot cleaned, you can literally control it like an RC car and spot clean the area that needs cleaning. But my favorite convenience feature is that you can schedule the X9 Pro to run at any time on whatever basis you'd like every day at 11:30 p.m. when the kids are asleep. And yes, it works just fine in complete darkness due to its advanced technology, so let's talk about that. The X9 Pro has AI Map 3.0 technology, which enables multi-floor mapping in real time, even highlighting obstacles on the map like couches or kitchen islands. It does this by using the iPath laser navigation system with its 3D time-of-flight sensors and an accurate AI camera system called AIC, which allows it to see obstacles in front of it and avoid them in real time. It also has a bunch of other sensors like for recognizing carpet and boosting suction, or other floor types, and it comes with speakers to let you know what it's doing, voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, and of course, child lock so kids don't turn it on themselves. So overall, the X9 Pro is a very good RoboVac, jam-packed with technology and features, and it's only $899, being hundreds of dollars less expensive than RoboVacs with similar tech and quality. And right now, you can buy it using the link and coupon code in the description below to save $180 for a limited time. So thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts on the X9 Pro down in the comment section below. And thanks once again for Eufy Clean for sponsoring this video.